Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we are going to do the February Boxy Charm versus the IPSY Plus bag. Both of these are $25 a month, and they both should contain 5 full-size items. I have been a die-hard Boxy Charm fan for years. The IPSY Plus bag is relatively new to me, so I'm interested to see how they're going to compare with each other. Okay, so when I open up my box, one thing I'm not seeing is a card of any sort. Yeah, there's absolutely no card in this box, so I don't know how much anything costs, and I don't have a description for anything. That's lovely. Also means I can't tell you the variation number of this box. But we'll just go on from here. Alright, so it looks like the first item in the box is the skincare wipes. And these are refreshing, cleansing hemp wipes. This is what the package looks like. This doesn't really excite me because they're just makeup wipes and I can buy 50 of them from Walmart for like $3. So it feels like maybe there's like 10 in here. There's 15. The packaging says there's 15 wipes in here. These can't be worth very much, can they? Since I didn't have a card in the box, I went ahead and went to the Boxy Charm website and clicked on my box. And it looks like these wipes are $9.50. Like I said, you can buy 50 wipes at Walmart for like $3.50. So I'm not impressed with this one. Alright, so the second item is my choice item. This is the new Becca foundation, or at least new to me. This is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Mine is in the color Cashmere. I know they said that you should go to like Ulta or somewhere and sample the colors. I didn't do that. I'll just be straight up honest. I didn't do that. I just went ahead and tried to pick online. So fingers crossed this works. I put a dab right here on my hand and let's smear it in. Yeah, this looks like it'll be a decent color for me. This foundation retails for $44, and I am glad that I picked this. That iconic London palette looked amazing as well, but I have so many palettes. I was really excited to see a foundation, a full-size foundation in a box, so I had to choose it. Just had to. Have a feeling that's going to be my favorite item in the box. Alright, so the next item is from First Aid Beauty, and these are Radiance Facial Wipes. It says that these wipes will help exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. I'm not that excited about this, y'all. Alright, so it has a little seal, and then this is what the little wipe looks like. Looks like a little flat cotton round. It has the chemical on it, and you're just going to wipe your face after you wash your face. I don't know. I don't use a lot of toners, so I'm not sure how much use I will get out of this. I mean, I'll give it a shot. It's worth a shot, right? I mean, can't hurt anything, I would think. These retail for $17. So we got 2 skincare wipes. I feel like they should have split those up. 2 different boxes. Alright, so the next item we have is from Ciate London. And this is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I do like Ciate London products. Looks like it's just a normal setting powder. It has that little flat seal that's going to be a nightmare to get off. I'm probably going to need some tweezers. But I really want to open this so I can smell it. I don't know why I'm hoping it kind of smells like coconut. Because it's a coconut setting powder. But I doubt I'm going to get that. Yeah, it has no scent. Sadly disappointed. Let me just sprinkle a little or a lot on my hand here. That's where I put that foundation. Yeah. A little excessive. A little too much, Sam. It actually has a soft smell like baby powder. And it did make my hand brighter. If it's supposed to be brightening. But I did put a lot on. Like way too much. So this product I am definitely excited to try. This one retails for $22. So that's not bad. Alright, and my 5th item is the Alamar Cosmetics Trio Brush Set. I have so many brushes, y'all. So many. These are large and called Complexion brushes, so I'm assuming they are for the face. They feel really nice. I mean, they feel soft. Why do I smell everything? Anyway, so this one looks like maybe to be a foundation brush. It's kind of like a flat kabuki. This one is an angled brush, maybe for like contouring or blush. And this one is a little bit more flat, so maybe you could use it like for foundation. I always use a beauty blender though. Or maybe for highlight. A little disappointed though, because I knew you had a chance to get these 3 brushes or the 3 set of Luxe sponges. And I am a sponge girl all the way. I put my foundation on, my concealer on, always with sponges. So I don't use brushes quite as much for like face stuff. So the total value of these products is $128.50. That is definitely an amazing value for $25. While this isn't like the most exciting box I've ever received, I mean, it was a good box. It wasn't bad. I just kind of hate that we got 2 wipes. Makeup cleansing wipes, I don't feel like should really be in here. But anyway, let's open up the IPSY box and check out what we got in there. So this is what the IPSY box looks like when I opened it. And oh, maybe we actually have a card in this box that tells us what we have. No, it doesn't tell us what we have or give us any prices. So let's just move on. All right, so the first thing on top of the box is this Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Daily Moisturizer. Wearing SPF is very important to stay looking young, especially because I'm getting older, but I don't really ever wear SPF. So maybe I'll really like this. Let's check it out and smell it. I just keep piling stuff on top of my pound of powder here. I still only smell the powder. Like, okay, it has a very, very, very mild scent of citrus. I guess because it has a vitamin C in it, they went with the citrus smell. I'm not hating that. It feels nice on the skin. I am glad that it doesn't smell like your normal, you know, beach sunblock, that pina colada kind of smell, because just wouldn't dig that on a daily basis. Since there's no card, let me pull up my phone and see if I can find the prices on IPSY's website. Okay, well, I found it on IPSY's website, but it still doesn't say the price, so we'll check out prices later, if I can find them. All right, next we have 3 sheet masks. I actually really enjoy sheet masks. I feel like they definitely hydrate the skin very well. So I'm excited about these. They are from Sweet Chef, and we have a kale vitamin B, and then we have a ginger vitamin C, and a beets vitamin A. These are super cute, y'all. These are, I love taking like really cute packaged sheet masks and putting them in like gift bags and boxes for like people's birthdays, because what girl doesn't love a good sheet mask? They make you feel so fresh. All right, this I am excited about. We have another foundation, and this is from Wonder Beauty. Let's see what color. I got it in the color light. You would never know that I'm like half Cherokee Indian, would you? Because I am like pasty pale. Now, if I actually went into the sun, I can get a tan. I just don't go in the sun. Okay. Was not expecting that. I went to go open it up, and it actually has like a brush on it. Not sure how I feel about that with a squeeze tube, but let's put some on this hand. That might be a little peachy. Here is the color. Let's smear her out. Okay, that might work. I know that they say that their foundation has like extra vitamins, things like that, that over time are supposed to improve the condition of your skin. I don't know if I believe that, but you know, any good thing in a foundation that I'm going to be applying to my face anyway is always a plus. Better than putting a bunch of bad stuff on there, right? Ooh, okay, I'm excited about this one. Actually, I don't think that this is part of the box. Now that I'm looking at it, I think I redeemed my IPSY points for this Moon Dance highlighter from Ofra. Let's go ahead and swatch her though. Oh, yes, girl. She is glowing. I will say these Ofra highlighters are by far the best highlighters I've tried. I have tons of highlighters, and the Ofra ones are always my favorite. Very excited that I was able to get this with my points. But sorry for the detour. Let's get back to the box. All right, we come across the bag. Not very impressed with this bag. I saw the bag that everyone that gets like the normal IPSY was like a quilted velvet pink bag. And then the people that get like the largest IPSY, the $50 one, also got a large quilted bag. I don't understand why the Glam Bag Plus has the worst bags. I saw a spoiler for March's, and the small IPSY bag is beautiful. The large IPSY bag is amazing, and the middle one is hideous. So IPSY, you're never going to see this. But if you do, why is the Plus bag so disappointing? Make it better. All right, next we have an IL Mickage. I don't know how to say this brand. An IL Mickage eyeliner. It looks like it's in the color black. Yes, it is black. I will say I have a foundation from them and it's amazing. This is what the liner looks like. Let's just give her a swatch. Okay, that did go on pretty smooth, very opaque, and it seems like it was rather wet, which is a good thing, because the reason I don't like felt tip pen liners like this is because typically they get really dry and I feel like I'm like gouging my freaking eye out trying to get anything to come out of a pen liner. I typically prefer the ones that go into like the liquid that have a little brush and then you brush it on. My favorite liquid eyeliner ever is from Jordana, and it's the cat eye eyeliner, and it retails for like $3.99. Super affordable, and it's amazing. It does not smudge at all. It can flake if you put too much on and you like rub it, but it doesn't smudge. All right, the last item in the box is a palette. Who doesn't love to get a palette? Everyone loves to get a palette. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, and I believe it's like a sweater palette. It looks like a sweater on the packaging, and it actually feels kind of raised. And the center has a metallic look like it is a metal plate. It is not a metal plate, but it has that kind of look. Here is the palette up close. Very pretty. It's definitely like a winter palette because it says the colors are Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, and Messy Bun. Yes, all of those are very winter things. I'm not sure these are like my colors, but I'll definitely try it out. Alright, so here are all the products again. We got the palette, the sheet mask, the face SPF moisturizer, eyeliner, and foundation. I'm actually torn on which one of these that I like better. I got a foundation in both of them, which is amazing. I really felt disappointed with my Boxy Charm, to be honest, when I opened it. But now after opening this one, while I like it, I still kind of feel like the sheet masks are equivalent to the face wipes to me. And the face moisturizer is equivalent to those face toner wipes. I guess I'm gonna have to give it to Boxy Charm because at least I did get 3 foundation brushes and I got that setting powder, which I would definitely use. I did get 2 makeup products in here too. Just not 100% sure these are gonna be products that I absolutely love. So anyway, that's my thoughts. What are your guys' thoughts? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have. If you got something different than me, please let me know. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. We'd love for you to join the Glamslam family. All right, well, until next time, bye y'all.